Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a newly released by Orange Cat Industry, which came from the Super Robot Hero lines, which I don't have any idea if this is an anime or a video game mecha model character. So I got this from Mech Player, one of my newest shop that I saw in Shopee, and this is a good Chinese shop, by the way, and they provide us new and fresh kits from the market. And this is none other than the ESTAILEV CASSOWARY, and this is the new release from that Super Robot Hero lines, second to the ESTAILEV. And I think there will be one that will be released, if not December, maybe next year, 2025. But I'll have to wait for that. So let's just focus on this ESTAILEV CASSOWARY, which is very nice. This is a red colored kit. It does resemble the Senju from the Gundam Unicorn series. And what I like with this kit is the Gatling gun on the left arm, which resembles the Gundam Heavy Arms. And the design of this Gatling gun in the left arm looks like from Nicholas D. Wolfwood weapon from the Trigun anime series. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this ESTAILEV CASSOWARY will offer us. The box of this ESTAILEV CASSOWARY is not that big compared to the regular ESTAILEV, the blue one, which I bought in the year 2023, last year by the way. And this one has the box size, same with the master grade Bandai Gundam kits. And as we can see here, the printout of this box is really matted. I really like it. It doesn't catch the reflection from the light. I really like how they print it, how this design is presented. And we can see here the Senju-like silhouette of this kit. It looks like a merge or combination of a Gundam and the Senju. So you can see here it wields this rifle with the knife here. It's like a bayonet, and this Gatling gun on the shield, which heavily resembles the Heavy Arms. At the same time, Nicholas D. Wolfwood's weapon from the Trigun anime. So it says here, ESTAILEV 1/100 scale model exceed type EXT GS whatsoever. And there we can see the logo of Orange Cat Industry, which happens to be a nice company to as far as I know, because I built kits already from this line. First is the 100 Edge, second the Tekaman Blade series, and the latest was the ESTAILEV, and now this ESTAILEV CASSOWARY. On the side of the box here we can see the front view and the rear view of the kit, which is very uniquely designed. I really like this cross shield here, which is very badass. And I just don't like this rifle. It looks like a handheld shotgun, which don't have an appeal to me. Anyway, these are the action poses where this kit can wield two weapons at the same time. These big, massive Gatling guns And there we can see an option if you want to put this grenade or this bayonet for the this knife that will act as bayonet. And also we can combine this gun here into this Gatling gun, and I bet this will be a left-hand heavy object on this kit. And the other side of the box, we can see the same picture from the box art, and there we can see some animated graphics for this kit. So there's this specs here that we can see. So this is an exceed type. I don't know what is this exceed type. Maybe this is for example a Gundam category like that, and it's a gun saver like that. And the fictional size would be 21.8 meters. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual there. Let's focus first on this instruction manual. We can see this reflection of the face of the ESTAILEV Cassowary, which is very nice, nicely printed. There we can see the parts list, which is for me too much. You can see there are double runners here, and there we got double runners, and the assemble kits, the guide page. Okay, so it is black and white, and the manual resembles also the in-era and supernova instruction manual, so typical Chinese manual. And the centerfold, we can see the picture, same in the box art, and some specs for the kit. I like the shades of red here. There are bright reds and also maroon colored or maroon type of red, maroonish, something like that. And the black really contrasts the shades of red, which is very nice. And also some, if you apply the decals, it will have a good contrast for the kit. So there's this color or decal placement part here, or page here, and the front view and rear view of the kit. So let's go to the packs here. So we got here maroon parts and black parts. So the kit is mainly maroon, red, and black parts, or black colored scheme. These are for the inner frames, which are black colored runners. Then another black colored runners here. We got this maroon and red colored runners for the armor pieces. And this is what I like here, the shield, the cross-shaped shield, which as I said repeatedly, it's the Nicholas D. Wolfwood style of Gatling gun or weapon. We got this decals sheets, which I guess I will not apply because I'm lazy to apply these shits. And there we got the green beam saber effect parts, yellow parts and clear blue parts there. Got this gray metallic parts for I think this one for the knife handle, and this one for the Gatling gun parts. We got this silver colored parts here for mainly for the knife, the combat knife. And we got the red parts and black parts again, mostly black for the inner frame. And this one for the guns and the shield. And finally we got this red parts for the booster and black parts again for the inner frame. There are so many happenings for this kit, and as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build this. So let's start with the black parts here for the inner frames. And I find that some of the runners are a bit bent, so be careful when opening the plastics. So we got here runner H for the inner frame parts, and we got two of these runners. We got this runner J, another runner J. So it says here ESTAILEV J. And this is a new kit which was released year 2022. I wonder why this kit was released later, but what I know that this kit shared some runners with the old ESTAILEV kit, which is the blue one. So that's what I know. And there we got this runner D. So we got two of these runner D for the inner frame parts. And we got this X1 for the Gatling gun, and there we can see it's 2024. So this is a new runner for this model. So the 2022 are the runners for the regular ESTAILEV. And there we got this X2 for the Gatling gun, for the shield parts, and the runner date is 2024, as you can see there. Then we got this runner A, the 2022 runner, which shares with the ESTAILEV first release, or the blue one. Runner B again for the inner frame parts. Then this big set of black runners here are runner I and another runner I. So we got two runner I's here, and these are 2022 as well. So this shares with the blue ESTAILEV release. And let's go to the red parts. We got this cross-shaped runner here, which is runner X4 for the Gatling gun. Got this clear red part here, the X5. Then we got this X7, which are silver parts for the knife and the grenade. And we got this metallic maroon colored runner for the face. And this one, I think, I don't know, this bladed part here. So this X6 and X7. Then we got this metallic gray parts for the Gatling gun. I think this is X3. And this is 2024, dated 2024. Then we got this red runner here for the small detail pieces. And these are 2022. I think this one is the recolored part for the blue one, the big blue one. Then we got this bright colored red runner here for runner M. Then we got this runner C here, red colored runners, bright red. And these are 2022 runners. So I think this is a recolored runner. Instead of blue, this became red. Same like runner, same like the blue ESTAILEV. And what I want to know is if the parts for the blue ESTAILEV are compatible with this red cassowary. maybe I will do that in the review. I will try to apply the flight pack in the cassowary. So there we got this runner K, then runner K again. So we got two sets of runner K. We got this runner F and another runner F. So we got two runner F here for the armor pieces, and these are 2022. So they share the same runners for the blue stylet. Then runner L here. These are all 2022 runners again. These are maroon colored parts. And finally, we got this black parts here for the hands. But unfortunately, I will not use this kind of hands. I will shift to the Dolly & Decal master grade hands. Finally, we got these small pieces here for runner R. This is clear colored blue, and this one runner Q for the yellow colored small pieces runners here. So be careful when cutting these parts here. And the beam saber here is clear green instead of the clear blue from the blue stylet. And just forget to mention, we got this magnets here. So it is the same with the blue stylet when attaching the shield, but I think this is not necessary for this kit. But it's still a good point to include this if you lost the blue stylet magnet for the shield connector. So thank you for watching this unboxing review of this ESTAILEV Cassowary, which is a new release in the year 2024 for the orange cat industry. So see you next time on the review. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care. Happy building.